Well, once again, let's talk about LUNC coin. Now, remember, as of April 6, 2022, Tuna Classic trading volume hit $3.56 billion with a market cap of $40,860,000,000. Okay, and the price was trading at $116.13, and Tuna Classic went down as of 9 June 2022. LUNC market cap dropped to $312 million, $312.75 million, with the price also going down all the way from 116 down to 0.00004779. But since Tuna Classic went down to this price, LUNC have actually gained about 649.02% increase in price. Okay, now one thing to understand is that some people like, okay, this is the price was, what if LUNC hit a market cap of $10 billion? That means LUNC should be trading between $1 or $5, which will never happen again. And LUNC, Tuna Classic coin, can never hit the price it was before. Now, with a market cap of over 40 billion, we also that LUNC was trading with a price of over $116, and right now with a market cap of 312 million that it went down to. Since then, Tuna Classic was actually gained about $400 million more market cap, though LUNC hit $1.5 billion market cap since Tuna Classic dropped to 312 million, and LUNC also gained almost 700% before dropping to 649%. But I still believe that yes, it's no longer like before where you see LUNC market cap, even though if the market cap hit 50 billion or even hit $100 billion right now, Tuna Classic will not still reach, might not even still reach $1 price. Okay, that is it. And for you to reach $1 right now, they need over 500 or $1 trillion market cap. So the only way LUNC can now rise is for Tuna Classic to burn the supply they have. Okay, with a market cap of 100 billion at the time of recording this, Tuna Classic might be trading between 1 cent or 10 cents, even though that is the major target for so many people. But LUNC need to burn and destroy so many coins, then before you can now start talking about if we have a market cap of $40 billion again, then Tuna Classic should be trading between $1. But remember, this same 40 billion market cap was $116. So that is this. So many things have really changed in the crypto industry. Tuna Classic have really dropped, but of course, all Tuna Classic holder, for those that still holding Tuna Classic, can still make over 10,000% profit of whatever they have. So for someone who lost over $10,000, if you put $100 right now and this coin hits back at 1 cent, definitely you'll be making about $6,000 profits. But then you minus some of the money lost before, you are still on profit. So that is why LUNC, they are trying to bring this coin back. They are trying to push the Tuna Classic to hit at least 1 cent, and I believe with soon, I believe with the pressure turn, Tuna Classic will definitely hit that level soon. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kind do your own research before taking any decision, and let's hope that LUNC in the next future will definitely put smiles on our faces.